Mm. So, naka-install? Oh, wala na yan.
Tingnan mo nga ako nagdikit na yung tubo na to. Okay na. Pwede na yun. Sabay-sabay.
Yan yung paglalagyan ng ng formworks. Nakasukat na yan. Sasalpak na lang ang mga formworks.
Para may gaya natin yung yung pamputuloy kayong tubo lang. Kaya mo muna
Pag nalagay na ang formworks, ilalagay na ang mga sinturon.
Hindi ka rin makawala pag ito yung pinag-
Located at intervals. Interval 1,
Ano, tinisting ko to.
interval 2, interval 3, interval 4, packet. Ngayon, pag naset na sila, aakit na lang yan. Yan bubuhusan. And then, ipapour na yung backfill.
Napakaramdam hindi mo napakaramdam hindi ka kalakasin sa ilalim.
Alright, so once again, yung ating template. That's step 1. And then step 2, ilalatag na nga doon sa template ang mga scaffolding. And then step 3, ilalagay ang mga sinturon at these intervals. And then, pwede na magbuhos. Pagkabuhos, iaangat na itong mga sinturon para ma-backfillan ng maayos. After the backfilling is done, i-compact na yung lupa. Well, yung compaction ay hindi naman one time, big time. For every few millimeters of height ng backfill, doon i-compact so that the backfill is well compacted.
Ito na lang ito pala.
Para saan ba siyang GI tie wire? Para saan yung wire?
Maraming turo ano lang, para hindi na mahulog.
Okay, habang hindi pa kinaklamp.
Hindi na, meron dito eh. Ano lang sir dito, pangalalay lang.
Pero pagka-clamp, tatanggalin na rin.
Tanggal na rin.
Okay. yung GI tie wire, a temporary clamp kumbaga, no? Para maalalayan na yung mga scaffolding pipes in place. At saka sila ika-clamp for more permanence.
Bilis mo yan boy ah. Maliit yan.
So, there. That's our practice for today. For this afternoon, most likely sisimulan na natin ng concrete pouring. For now, I'm head over to my house para makapag-ready sa aking scheduled lectures tomorrow. I'll be teaching building laws and professional practice in the JPT Baguio City branch. I'm getting myself ready to prepare a presentation for Batas Pambansa Bilang 344. Just so you know, just very recently, roughly a few days ago, kaka-upload lamang ng revised implementing rules and regulations ng BP 344. I'm not so sure if the reason why that one was repealed, the previous one was repealed, is because of the infamous PWD ramp. Not so sure, but I think the revision, the start of the revision predates that one. Okay, so, well, it's very much outdated, so I guess it's just good. It's just the perfect time for the revision or the updating of Batas Pambansa Bilang 344. But anyway, it's not the only legislation